Dear friends, we will make a dry chutney powder which can be easily made at home and stored for a very long period of time. For this, individually we will roast each of the dals and each of the ingredients. The urad dal, chana dal, sesame seeds, tamarind. The coconut powder, desiccated coconut is what we should be taking, but since it is fresh coconut which I had in hand, I'm roasting it in the oven at 40 degrees so that it loses moisture. We'll add 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, preferably, or any other oil of your liking, refined coconut, anything will do. We'll roast each of the dals and keep them aside for cooling. Now the dals have to be roasted till they turn not very brown, but they turn fragrant. That fragrance should come. You'll know it when it reaches that stage, so that you know that this will give a very nice aroma. So all the dals, each of the dals and all the other ingredients, we will add around 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil and roast them in the pan and keep on transferring it to the plate and let them cool down. Sesame seeds, I would suggest that please do not skip it, because it's a very unique ingredient which gives it a very, very unique and very taste, turns this podi into a very unique tasting chutney. This is an equivalent of molaga podi, which is there, which can be put on idli, on plain rice, just with if you don't have time, just make idlis, and with this podi add sesame oil into this podi, into this chutney, dry chutney, and then take it with your dosha, idli, even your rice. Add a spoon of ghee into a hot rice and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of this dry chutney, and you do not need anything else. So this is a quick fix chutney which can be used and stored. It can be stored for a very long period of time, 3 to 4 months. Since we are dry roasting all ingredients and there is no moisture, it will keep for a very long time and it will be as fresh as day one. So this also I'm adding coconut and grind it in small quantities, in small batches, so that it grinds very well. It should be a little bit coarse, not very coarse, little bit coarse. That would depend on your liking. You can just keep on tasting and seeing how you want the final product. So this is how it has turned out. So dear friends, please do try out this dry chutney powder, easily made at home with our own ingredients, and use this in anything you want. This is a very tangy, because of the tamarind, it is a tangy chatpata dry chutney. So do try out and do share your experience with me. Thank you.